How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if you are having trouble with Wi-Fi connecting to your laptop. Let's get started. First thing first you need to do is click on here to see if you are connected to your network. Now if you don't see here and you are not able to connect to any network, the first thing you need to do here is update your Wi-Fi drivers. You can do that by going over to Device Manager. Once you open it up, from here you can find your wireless network adapters. Click on the drop down and then you'll find your wireless Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, then you can click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best drivers are already installed, you're good to go. There's one other thing that you can do, which is going over to your control panel. Then from here you can go to Network and Internet, and go to Internet option. From here, go to Advanced, and you can click on Restore Advanced Settings. Once you click on it, click on Apply, and then OK, and you're good to go. Give your PC a quick restart. Just go over to your start menu, click on this power option, and then click on restart. You're good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.